It's a magic rainbow pyramid toy. Hello, kids! Today, I am drawing a pyramid toy for kids. Let's draw and paint together. Please try to draw with me. This pyramid is going to be so colorful after the painting. Our drawing is ready now. Let's color it. Red. Pyramid toys come in all different shapes and colors. We can learn about squares, triangles, and rectangles while also exploring fun colors like red, blue, and yellow. It's like having a colorful rainbow right in our hands. When we play with pyramid toys, we practice using our hands and eyes together. Cyan. We have to carefully place each block in just the right spot to make the pyramid sturdy and balanced. Yellow. It's like a fun challenge for our brains and bodies. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Pink. Orange. Purple. Wow, pyramid toy looks so colorful like a rainbow. Kindly like this video and subscribe to this channel for more drawing videos. See you in the next drawing video. Bye bye.